Got a lesson for you from BabyJake. In this video, I'm going to teach you to play Cigarettes on Patios. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy. So this entire song is made up of 5 chords, the first of which is an A minor chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and you're going to strum from the A string twice. Then you're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the low E string, and you're going to slide down to the 3rd fret. Then we're going to go to a D with an F sharp bass. So you're going to place your thumb on the 2nd fret of the low E string, your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. You're going to strum that twice. Then you're going to pluck the open D string. Then we're going to go to an F major chord. So you're going to place your thumb on the 1st fret of the low E string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're going to bar the B and high E strings on the 1st fret with your pointer finger. Then you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string and pluck that once. Then we're going to go to a C major chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and you're going to strum from the A string. Then we're going to go to an E7 chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the G string. Then you're going to place your pinky finger on the 4th fret of low E string and pluck that once. Then we're going to do the whole first part again. Then when we get to the F major chord, we're going to let that ring out. We're going to strum it once and let it ring out. Then to the C major chord, and you're going to strum that once and let it ring out. Then to the E7 chord. Then 4th fret low E. Then we're going to do that whole thing again. Once we get to the F major chord, we're just going to strum it once and let it ring out. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Cigarettes on Patios. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Thanks.